Are you eager to indulge your sweet tooth while maintaining a commitment to a low-fat lifestyle? Delicious low-fat desserts is your gateway to a world of scrumptious treats that are not only light on the waistline but also bursting with flavor. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of healthy living. We all know how essential it is to take care of our bodies and minds, and in this video, we've got some fantastic tips and insights to help you lead a healthier, happier life. So, if you're ready to embark on this journey towards a more vibrant you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you won't miss any of our valuable content. In this article, we'll delve into the realm of low-fat desserts, revealing the art of creating delightful sweets that satisfy your cravings without the guilt, allowing you to relish the joys of dessert without compromising your health goals. 1. The dessert dilemma. In the opening paragraph, introduce the dilemma of enjoying desserts while adhering to a low-fat diet, a challenge that often seems like an impossible quest. Pique the reader's curiosity by suggesting that this guide holds the key to unlocking the secrets of delectable, guilt-free low-fat desserts. 2. Understanding low-fat desserts. Begin by defining what low-fat desserts are and why they matter. Describe how they are carefully crafted to reduce the fat content without sacrificing taste and texture. 3. Importance of low-fat choices. Delve into the importance of opting for low-fat desserts. Explain how they can help you manage your weight, support heart health, and provide a mindful approach to satisfying your sweet cravings. 4. Fat substitutes and techniques. Discuss various fat substitutes and techniques used in creating low-fat desserts. Highlight ingredients like applesauce, Greek yogurt, and avocado that can replace traditional fats while maintaining moisture and flavor. 5. Sweeteners and flavor enhancers. Explore how the choice of sweeteners and flavor enhancers can elevate low-fat desserts. Share ideas for using natural sweeteners like honey, maple syrup, and fresh fruit to enhance the taste of your treats. 6. Recipe ideas. Share a variety of low-fat dessert recipe ideas that showcase the versatility of these delightful sweets. Offer examples such as a luscious berry parfait, a creamy chocolate avocado mousse, or a zesty citrus sorbet. 7. Balancing indulgence. Highlight the significance of balance when enjoying low-fat desserts. Discuss the importance of portion control and mindful eating to savor your treats while staying on track with your dietary goals. 8. The long-term dessert journey. Conclude with the idea that relishing delicious low-fat desserts isn't just a momentary indulgence. It's a lifelong commitment to treating yourself to sweet delights that align with your health-conscious lifestyle. By the end of this article, readers will not only understand the significance of low-fat desserts but will also be motivated to explore and create these guilt-free sweet treats, allowing them to enjoy the pleasure of dessert while upholding their health and wellness objectives. Delicious low-fat desserts is a journey into a world of culinary wisdom, where every dessert becomes an opportunity to satisfy your sweet tooth, support your health goals, and savor the delightful flavors and benefits of low-fat indulgence. So, let's embark on this low-fat dessert journey and discover the delicious and guilt-free treats that await you. As we wrap up this video on healthy living, remember that making small, positive changes in your daily routine can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being. We hope you found this information useful and inspiring. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Together, we can all strive for a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.